my name is Janice Stahl and I represent Events in Bloom.
Hi, my name is Stacey Mendikas and I'm with Unique Weddings and Events.
I really love just making the brides happy. It's all about them in general at the end of the day, and you know, they just, to see a smile on their face at the end of the day that you put on what they wanted is just the best feeling ever.
I love being a wedding and event coordinator because I get to enjoy in a very happy occasion in our couple's lives.
Hey guys, my name's Arthur Plowden, but I go by Artie, and you can't spell party without Artie. I'm with Spunky Spirits Mobile Bartending Services.
For me, it has to be the design. There's something about it when the client tells me, I have no clue what I'm looking for. And for me to be able to translate that into paper, into drawing, into pictures, for me that's the most amazing part.
Sounds inviting you to stay. All the stars around you. Be together, that's the way I'm singing. Whoa, sparks in every move, sparks in every day.
My name is Taylor and I'm the owner of Taylor Falcon Events.
My name is Emily and I'm Associate Planner for Taylor Falcon Events.
And my name is Morgan and I'm also an Associate Planner for Taylor Falcon Events.
We provide wedding and event coordination and design.
Sparks on every way.
What makes us successful at what we do is because we truly believe in creating memories.
I started my journey as a designer 20 years back. Graduated from a fashion school, and I really wanted to make fashion glamorous and my brides to look more stunning on their special day.
I am an event planner. We do everything from setup to breakdown. We bring people together, we build bridges, and we're here to bring your vision to life. Essentially, that's in a nutshell what I do.
Hi, I'm Mariana and I'm with Christmasing Photography. My husband and I were going to get married in a church. We decided that it just got a little overwhelming and we were wanting a different venue, so we did that. It inspired us to start our own company to make other couples' dreams come true, as it did for us.
My name is Casey Caldwell and I'm with Sparkly Productions. I'm a certified wedding planner. We offer our couples anything from month of coordination all the way to full planning for their special day.
I love that I am involved in one of the most important days of somebody's life and getting to watch it from the very beginning of the planning process the whole way through.
Sparks in every move, sparks in every day, sparks on every way.
What I love most about my job is connecting with my brides, being able to turn their vision into reality. Them walking into a ballroom for the first time when they've seen, been planning for a year, and then they walk in and they see everything come together for the first time, and you see the expression on their face really makes my day.
I got involved with wedding planning through my mom. I grew up going to all of her events, or most of them at least, and I decided that this is exactly what I want to do.
Baker's Ranch is Florida's premier all-inclusive wedding venue. We mostly work with weddings and wonderful brides who either live in Florida or come for worry-free destination wedding.
Sparks in every day, sparks on every way.
Well, I mean, we are so happy when brides pick up the magazine and they get ideas and they get to find great vendors that have done photo shoots for us and have given them lots of ideas.
What I love most is the people that I get to meet. We get to see people from all walks of life and all different styles and help them bring something magical together.